Okay guys, I decided to cook first before I go wash my hair. Okay, uh behind the camera, since yeah. Come on. You think say good morning today?
Hi guys.
Good morning guys.
Good morning guys. Nothing.
Do you have to open your mouth like that?
I'm getting ready
It's
for
running
late.
Yeah.
It's 7:32. I mean 7:33.
7:33.
And the bus still hasn't come. She's supposed to come at 7:20.
25.
Yeah,
Yeah.
25. But
It's running late. It's almost 5 minutes now.
yeah. And can I show you guys my outfit? First, I have on this jacket. Beautiful. I don't think they. I have a coat inside, but I have a jean. I have jeans and like.
Hey guys, I guess they're going to ride the car right now. The bus, I just called the school because it's running so late. The bus is running so late, and they say that the bus is running so late, and they say that wait, hold on, let me clean the lens. And they say they have a couple of breakdowns. Some of the school bus is not running properly. I think that's why. Yeah. Oh, it's here. Slow down. Hey! Give us it. You forgot. That was a good one. Uh-oh, you drop your water. Take. You bye. Oh my baby girl. Okay guys, the bus is finally here. They were about to go and ride the car. Like my neighbor volunteered to take them to school. And the bus just came. And they are happy too. Oh my goodness. I think they said the problem was that some of the buses, like some of the buses was not working good. I think they break down and they have to exchange, taking another route again. Like that was what caused the delay. That's why I think they late for almost 40 minutes. We have been here outside 40 minutes. Normally the bus comes at 7:20. Right now it's 7:55. You see that? Okay. Now it's turning now. There they go. Bye. Oh my goodness, that was a good exercise. I have to run. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Okay. Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm back at home. Today I'll be doing multitasking as usual. What I'll do, I'll be cooking stew and soup today. Okay, I've already bring out my meat from the deep freezer. Let me show you. These are my meat and fish, and I still have that melusa fish also. I'll be using this one for stew. Then I have my tatashe. I just allow it to soak. Okay, while the meat is going to be defrosted, I made some clove water. Okay, I made some clove water that I will use for my hair. Let me show you guys. You see, this is the clove water. It's still boiling. I think it's ready right now. I'm just going to turn the heat off. Okay, because last night I took down my braid. Okay, last night I took out my braid. I'm going to be washing my hair today. I'm just going to wash my hair today. You see, I just took it up, but it's still all tangled or whatever. I'm going to use that water to detangle it, clove water. Okay, and I also have oil. I also have clove oil that I will use for a pre-poo. Also, I made some clove oil too. Then also my cow feet. Okay, it's cow feet. I'm boiling it for the stew. While the cow feet is boiling, is cooking, guys, don't mind the noise. Okay, the alarm I think the alarm is no, some button is not working there. We have to reset it. Okay, then while the cow feet is cooking, and I have to do laundry also. Okay, first of all, I will just go put my laundry, do my laundry. Then after the laundry, I will go wash my hair. Okay, I'll wash my hair. Then after washing my hair, by that time I will come back to cook my food. Look, I look like a village woman. This is my real face. Okay. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, and also I want to quickly edit my video. Okay, I'm using my phone to vlog right now, and also I'm going to use my phone to edit. Okay, let me just pause for a minute, then let me go and edit, because I have to post a video today. Let me go and quickly edit. It's a short video, it's not that long. Then I'll catch you guys later. Okay guys, I decided to cook first before I go wash my hair. Okay, behind the camera, since I've been prepping my ingredients, because it's going to be a cook with me video. Okay, that's why okay, let me just do this all behind the camera. This is all what I'm going to be using. I've already prepped my everything. I've already wash and clean all what I'm going to be using, as you can see. Okay, then after cooking, I'll see you guys later, and I want to quickly hurry up and edit my video also. Okay, I want to quickly edit my video. I'll see you guys later. Okay, when I'm done cooking. Hey guys, I am finally done cooking, guys. I am done. Let me show you guys what I cook. Stew and ogbono soup. Okay, let me show you. Ogbono soup, then the stew. Okay, that's it guys. It's still hot. I just finished cooking just Just finished cooking this stew. First of all, I made this ogbono before I go ahead and prepare the stew. And guys, remember I told you guys I'm going to edit my video, then I'll post it. I was not able to edit my video. I did not even post a video today. Yeah, I did not post a video today. Hopefully when I finish right now, I'm going to edit the video so that I can post it tomorrow, guys. And I think before bedtime, before I take my shower for bedtime, we'll just wash my hair. Yeah, Abigail is back from school. Abigail, you want to come and say hi to our friends? Yeah, my storage space is about to be over right now. Yeah, today we are going to be eating oatmeal swallow with ogbono soup. Everybody's going to be eating swallow today.
Everybody?
Okay? Yeah, you don't want to eat swallow?
I don't know.
Yeah, ogbono soup. Remember, I know Alessa would like to eat ogbono soup.
Hey guys.
She's back. Hey guys,
I'm
look
back.
at our boy is back. Why did you take off your shirt?
I was hot.
It was hot. It's the weather is a little bit warm today. Atlanta weather is crazy. Sometimes it will be hot, it will be cold. Look at this one. What are you doing? Don't go and burn yourself. You looking? It smells good. Yeah, you eat ogbono soup now. Okay? You eat soup. Guys, and let me tidy up. Let me sweep the floor. Let me sweep the floor. The floor is so dirty after cooking. Okay, guys. But now I've tidied up the counter. I've tidied up
washing my hair.
Before here was like a big
my hair
mess.
with my homemade.
Now let me sweep the floor so that
oil and clove
give me
tea.
one, Abigail. Let me sweep the
I
floor.
have
Then I'll throw away that
a
trash.
video on how I make this oil and
Give me
tea
broom. Let me sweep.
on my other channel.
2
which
hours
is called
later.
Share Reactions. Please go and check it out. Okay, follow me there. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and support your girl over there. I'm just gonna use the oil as a hot oil treatment to massage my scalp and my hair. Then I'll use my shower cap to cover it, and then I'll wash my hair. Okay guys, thank you so much everyone for supporting my channel, for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new, please subscribe. It is free. It is free. It is free. It is free. Okay, enjoy the video. Bye. Okay guys, I am almost done styling my hair. As you can see, I'm loving my hair. I'm trying to grow my hair edges, and this clove oil is doing justice to my edges. I like it. Guys, try that oil out, okay? If you haven't tried clove oil before, go and try it, okay? It's really working good. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and do what makes you happy. Compliment of the season to every one of you. Merry Christmas in advance. One love. Keep us together. Bye bye everyone. Bye. Please like this video. Like this video, okay? Let me dance a little bit. Okay now. Who be that woman? Who be that fine girl? Now me, share with love TV. Make shakara. No time to check time, okay? I love you guys. Bye bye.